He horo nui kua ki ngā kaumātua.
Oh my gosh, what an amazing picture. We want one.
If we look at the pikitia on the wall, you see etched in a lot of those older faces, a life well lived.
Oh, I thought it was just beautiful.
Kula vinia reihana tētahi o ngā kanohi ki ngā pakitaro o Te Whare Toi o Aigantighe i Timaru. E ai ki tēnei ahi ka anō aro whenua, kaore i pērā te whakaaro o reihana, ka whakatūria tōna pikitia i tētahi Whare Toi.
I believe our babies need to see some of us as we would have been 100 years ago. And we haven't had an exhibition like this before, and so it was very honouring.
E te kaumāwhitu ngā kaumātua kua whakaaria e Maania Tealei mō tēnei whakaaturanga, Whakahōhō, honouring our kaumātua. Hei tā kā Russell, i ngā tau kei te heke mai nei, he hoki ngā mahara e nei pikitia mō ā rātou mokopuna.
These aren't just pictures on the wall. I think if you absolutely study the photography from this amazing young wahine, how she's brought not just us to life, but our surroundings.
They've been the ones that have been strong in their Māoritanga and been able to support that being in our community.
I te puake te kaiwhakaahua no Ngāi Tahu a Tealei I ngā rekereke o ngā kaumātua I aro whenua marae. Koe nei te timatanga o ngā hononga ki e nei kaumātua.
I was raised by my grandparents and they've both passed now. For not having my tawa's picture in this Māori portrait way, I think it's made it more personal for me to make sure that that doesn't happen to other whānau here in our region. I did actually capture my granddad before he passed, so I knew how special that was and how amazing these taonga are here, and just that they needed to be honoured and be a tangatuka iho for these future generations to have.
Kua tūwhera ngā kuaha o te whakaaturanga nei, ka katia a te tekau o Akuhata. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.